Creating groups in Google Workspace is an efficient way to manage teams and streamline communication. Here's how to create a group. Log into the Google Admin Console. Visit admin.google.com and log in with your Google Workspace admin account. Navigate to the Group section. In the Admin Console, click on Groups from the menu. If it's not visible, use the search bar at the top. Create a new group. Click the plus Create Group button. Fill out the required details. Group name. Enter a meaningful name. Group email. Choose the email address for the group. Group description. Provide a description of the group's purpose. Set permissions. Configure group settings. Choose who can send emails to the group. Set who can view group content or join the group. Add members. Add users by entering their email addresses manually or importing them. Assign roles such as member or owner for access control. Save and manage the group. Click Create to finish. You can manage group settings or add or remove members anytime.